Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. So today we're going to talk a little bit about a quick tip for this week. In my video on Deep South sausage patties in a jar, many of you noticed that I had a pile of pancakes on the side. And you said, Danny must be hungry. No, Danny doesn't eat my pancakes. They are gluten pancakes, so he's gluten-free. And I have to make his separately. I usually buy a box of pancake mix. And so when I did a couple of months ago, I only made pancakes one time, about 6 or 8 pancakes. And that's all that's been made out of the box. It's been sitting in my refrigerator. So my quick tip today is, this is what I usually do, and I've not had time. When I take that big griddle out, I mix up enough pancake mix to make lots and lots of pancakes. So this time, I just finished the box. It was about 3/4 of the way full. I mixed all of it up, and I cooked all the pancakes. I laid them out and let them cool. Then I laid them on a cookie sheet, and I put them in the freezer for a few minutes, like 10-15 minutes, to just make sure they were cool. Because if you stack them together while they're warm, they will stick. So I needed them cool before I stacked them. So I put them in the freezer for a little while, took them out, and took them and put them in Ziploc bags. All right, this was full a few days ago. This one I've been keeping in the fridge. Every morning, you know, Danny makes my breakfast. So he doesn't have to get up and cook pancakes. He takes 3 out, he puts them in the oven and lets them heat for a few minutes. And when I get up, they're ready. Plus the sausage patties. Danny puts the pancakes, the sausage patties in a cake pan, lets them heat. And when I get up, they're hot and ready. All I got to do is add syrup. I've got apple cranberry syrup, because it was supposed to have been jelly and it didn't gel real well, so I poured it over it. Any of my fruit syrups go on it. Cane syrup can go on it, whatever. But this is what I do with the others. This pack still has a lot in it, guys. There's probably, I don't know, 15 to 20 in here. I freeze them. This one was in the freezer. When I finish these, if I want more, they're in the freezer. So that's my quick tip. When you're making those pancakes, just make up a lot extra. I used to do this for my son. My youngest son loved pancakes. So I would cook as many pancakes as I felt like cooking that day. Just cook, 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 cook. Stick them in a Ziploc bag and put them up, and he would take them out when he needed a snack or when he wanted breakfast, whatever. It was already ready for him. So quick tip today, pancakes. Make them up, freeze them. You're ready to go when you need a quick snack or you need breakfast. Thank you guys from Crazy Days.